You ever watch a music video that makes you feel that you accidentally just read a page out of someone's diary? That's exactly what I felt after watching Justin Bieber's music video for the song Lonely. And today we are going to break down that music video just for you in this episode of In My Opinion. Lonely happens to be Justin Bieber's second single from his sixth studio album, which is Justice, and it has been produced by Benny Blanco and Finneas, who is also Billie Eilish's brother. And we all know that Billie Eilish is a big Justin Bieber fan, so this is a full circle of life moment for them as well. So Benny Blanco has not collaborated with Justin Bieber for the first time on this song. He has previously collaborated on 5 songs, and few of them are Love Yourself, Somebody to Love, Eeny Meeny Miny Mo. But this song happens to be the first song where he has been credited as an artist. The reason why I selected this song is because Justin Bieber is getting a lot of hate, and I feel that we should not forget him as an artist and the music that he gave to us when he was growing up and he was struggling in his younger days. Okay, so the music video starts with a character that is dressed much like Justin Bieber, and that is none other than Jacob Tremblay, who is known for his characters in movies such as Room or Wonder. The casting for this music video is not an accident. It's pure cinema because Jacob is known for donning roles which are very strong but also vulnerable. Also, we see him sitting in a dressing room which feels very lonely, as much as like an artist who is just supposed to go on stage. And at that very moment, we have Benny Blanco who comes on and tells him to go on stage as well. Okay, now let's talk about the outfit that Jacob is wearing. He's wearing a purple hoodie and a white jacket which resembles Justin in his Never Say Never days. Also, we see him having the hairstyle which I think a lot of boys were donning back in those days as well. A slight symbolism in the music video is the hockey stick is just a symbolism that before all this fame, he was just a little boy who liked playing hockey. We then see young Bieber walking through a massive echoey venue, and it's huge and very beautiful but also completely empty. That's just not for drama, it's a metaphor. We had millions of people watching Justin, screaming for him, but nobody really knew him. And the way Jacob looks so small in that space, it's meant to remind you just how young and alone he really was during all of that. The most saddest part of the music video is towards the end, when we see the actual and present time Justin Bieber looking at himself all alone in that auditorium. It gives me an idea that with all the fame, he lacked real connection. And this is not the first time that Justin has been vocal about his mental health. He has previously cited many times how he has struggled with it, even with the facial paralysis that he faced. But the most bravest thing he's ever done is talk about it in public, and that he is healing himself right now. So Lonely is just not any other song. It's a song about heartbreak and also about the feeling of loneliness that an artist feels. I'm not the only one who feels like that. There are fans who relate to it as well. So let me read out few of the comments for you. The first comment reads, "For not being a Justin Bieber fan, this song hits pretty damn hard." And people also commented that even if I was not really a big fan of him, this song hits home. A little bit of behind the scenes nugget for you as well. We had Benny Blanco who produced this song, but he also had collaborated with Selena Gomez on 2 other songs as well. And even though it is not a big deal, it does add a little bit of complexion, because right now we all know that Selena Gomez and Benny Blanco are dating and they are the new it couple, whereas Justin Bieber and Hailey Bieber are facing a lot of flack, people claiming that Justin has really not moved on from Selena. On my taste profile, if I have to rate this song, I feel that it's like sitting in a dinner buffet hall with all the glam but not having real food in front of you, and it's giving an idea that even though you're surrounded by constant fame, you don't have any real connection with yourself. And if you like this song, there are other recommendations from Justin Bieber that I have for you, and few of them are: number 1, that is Monster. He has collaborated with Shawn Mendes on it. Number 2 would be Love Yourself. Number 3 would be Ghost, and 4th would be Life is Worth Living. So if you like this music video reaction, let me know in the comment section below which was your favorite part. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.
94.3 Radio 1.